everybody. Today we have the Kia ProCeed GT. So this is the top of the line model with the well-known 1.6 turbo, which has about 204 HP, but now not with the manual transmission as in the last let's say Kia ProCeed that we drove, but with the double clutch 7-speed transmission. And I have some luggage in the car. The track is not perfectly dry, but let's see which numbers we can get out of it using the Race Logic drift box and trying to find out what the numbers are. Interesting, actually, here some nice A35s parked on a truck, probably going to the new customers, maybe to you. The GoPro went off right in the moment when we reached 200, but of course the drift box was still measuring it, and we got the time 7.1 seconds to 100, and we have a 23.9 seconds 100 to 200, which is of course slow compared to all the other cars that we're driving, but considering, let's say, the size of the car and also the weight that we have here, with only, let's say, 200 horsepower, I don't know when we have driven a 200 horsepower car in the last couple of years, let's say in this league, I would say it's still a reasonable number because the car feels very powerful. Specifically after the gear changes, you still have the feeling that there's a good punch, and yeah, it pulls pretty decent. Maybe if we have no wind in our direction, it will even go about 250 on the speedometer. We managed to do that, and I think that is something very reasonable for this amount of power. Also considering the price, I mean, we have something like 36,000 euros fully equipped more or less, which is a list price, and I know that there are some offers for new cars which are starting at something like 29,000 euros with 7-year warranty and this 200 HP very sporty sounding engine. And I think considering all those facts, it's a bargain, this car, definitely, and even cheaper than something like a Hyundai i30N or Focus ST or the other cars that we have driven recently. So yeah, just stay tuned for all the footage that we also upload on Instagram, of course, and we will have some more fun with the car and also, of course, enjoy it because it's a nice road trip car.